Space, the final frontier. These are the voyages of the starship Erickson. Its mission? To learn about Earth stuff and space stuff.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Hello and welcome to Earth Space Honors. My name is Mr. Erickson and I will be your facilitator, your host, and your teacher on this amazing journey through science. Now I'm understanding that some of you might be a little anxious or worried about what this is all going to look like, and that's understandable. We're going through a lot of changes right now. School was supposed to start on the 10th, and then they moved it to the 21st, and then they moved it back to the 10th, but all of it virtual. And with all those changes happening, it can be kind of scary. There's a quote by a guy named W. Edwards Deming. He was an engineer and a professor at NYU, or New York University. That's a really big school. He said, "The two basic rules of life are, 1, change is inevitable, and 2, everybody resists change." And he's right. Everybody does resist change, but change has to happen. And believe it or not, science is all about change. It loves change. Science loves change. We love to measure it. We love to cause it. We love to study it. Science just loves change. And this year, we're going to be looking at all the science that has to do with Earth and space. The final frontier.
No. Stop.
Like I said, the first half of the year is going to be all about space. And we're going to start off by looking at the universe and how it was formed.
Sorry.
As I was saying, we're going to scope in on the universe, and then we're going to zoom in on the solar system and how it was formed using nebular theory, and how everything just moves so harmoniously, even though it's absolute chaos. Then we're going to talk about light, and how it moves from the sun and stars to us. I'm not even doing anything! Then we're going to talk about the sun and how it do what it do. And then for the rest of the year, we're going to look at the Earth and how, like onions and ogres, the Earth has layers. We're going to talk about the Earth and how it's always moving beneath our feet, and also that it's almost as old as Mr. Garber. Then we're going to talk about the hydrosphere and how ocean waters actually influence a whole lot of stuff around the Earth, especially here in Florida. Lastly, we look at the atmosphere and how weather and climate are different. We also talk about what causes severe weather. As you can see, there's a whole lot of stuff that we're going to be digging into this year. And the cool thing is, all you need is your school-provided laptop. You don't need any other supplies right now. Parents, students, if you have any questions for me, you can go to my email at dalton.erickson@ocps.net, or you can give me a call at this phone number here and get my voicemail, and I'll return your call when I can. As Deming said before, change is inevitable, and so is having me as your teacher. We're gonna have a great time.